The guys are building the bridge. So as you can see, they are building the bridge over here. Mickey is trying to weld one side, and then Jose is welding the other side. So praise God for the bridge that this community is gonna have. They're gonna be able to cross the river without getting dirty. So here they are, Juan cutting metal, Castro helping Juan, and that's gonna be a bridge, or that's part of the bridge that we're gonna be able to give to this community. So thank you guys for donating this bridge. Thank you, bro Benny. We love you, we miss you, and that's a progress so far.